Hi. Let's look at this page. Too much. Too much in your reading packet. Okay? Too much. Let's take a look. So this is about plurals, right? Let's look at the picture. What do you see? This is a can. A can. It says write the word, and over here it says add S. One can, two cans. Two cans. Okay. What is this? This is an egg. One egg. Two eggs. Two eggs. Let's take a look. So this is a can. One can. So I write can. Okay. One can. Two cans. Cans. So plural, we add S for plural. Cans. C A N S. Okay. One can, two cans. One egg. E G G. One egg. Two eggs. Eggs. So I write egg and I add S. What is this? This is a chip. Chip. One chip. Many chips. Chips. What do you see here? Hat. One hat. Two hats. This is a cat. One cat. Two cats. Chicken. One chicken. Three chickens. Chickens. What is this? This is a tub. Tub. One tub. Two tubs. Two tubs. Okay. Ball. One ball. Two balls. Okay. So, when you're finished, take a picture, text it to me. Bye now.